And then we're gonna see our plant. We're gonna test our plant. We're gonna make sure it's gonna fit in that perfect little hole that we dug. We're gonna test it. And when your plant looks like it's even with the ground, can everybody see my plant?
Yes!
Is it even with the ground on the outside?
Yes!
Alright, when it's even, just like that. Where's my other big plant? Is this one even with the ground?
No!
No. Should I keep digging the hole?
Yes!
Yeah, we need a really deep hole. So if you think you can dig a deep hole, this is the kind of plant you're gonna plant. Shallow hole for this one. So once we know our hole is deep enough, we're gonna gently take it out. It's been living in here such a long time, we don't want to hurt it. What do you see there? Roots! Does it go this way?
No!
No, does it go this way? Yeah! Alright, so then we're going to put it in there, and then we're going to take some of this nice dirt that's in your bucket, and we're going to sprinkle it so nicely around the hole. Do you think I'm done? No. What do I need? More dirt. More dirt. Then we're going to sprinkle it around. We're going to pack it in so that when the wind blows, it doesn't blow our plants away. What do you think? Good. Okay, so each one of you is going to take a partner, and you and your, not yet, you and your partner are going to get one shovel and 2 plants. How many shovels? 2! How many shovels? How many plants?
2!
Plants. Okay, so you and your partner are going to take 1 shovel and 2 plants. And when you're done, I need you to say, DK, Danny, Carolyn, any adult, grab an adult and say, how did I do on my plant? And then we're going to come over and we're going to check it.
Mrs. Weeks, what are we doing out here?
Well, Brady, we are fortunate to have an outside education center, and today we are planting native plants so they'll grow in their natural habitat, and in the future as the plants start growing, we're going to do some measurements and see how fast everything's growing. We're going to do some rain measurements to see how the rain and the weather affects the plants. We're also going to be going off the path over here, and we're going to be looking at some Indian grinding stones when we're studying the native people of this area.
Okay, that sounds cool.
So why do you think this area is special?
Well, this area is special because there must have been Indians living here hundreds of years ago. Because, as you can see, there are Indian grinding holes all around here in the boulders that surround this school.
What do you think they use them for?
Well, they might have used them to crush acorns to make food, or to crush herbs and leaves to make poultices and medicines that they can use on wounds and for sickness.
It looks beautiful. Did you girls get a chance to actually do some of the planting?
We two of us put 2 trees, I think, over there, and